Professionals in digestive health say that 70% of people over 50 carry up to 2 kilograms, 4.4 lb of waste in their intestines. That's right, 2 kilograms of dangerous stuff that might be making you sick right now. These are leftovers that stick to the inside of your intestines for years or even decades, letting toxins enter your bloodstream directly. Good news. These leftovers can be gone in just 5 nights with a simple mixture you can make at home. After this natural treatment I'm about to tell you about, you'll be shocked by what you find in your stool. Hey there! I'm going to tell you about an old recipe that has helped thousands of people naturally fix problems with their intestines. You won't need any drugs, expensive medicines, or trips to the doctor, just things you probably already have at home. However, we must first learn what really takes place in our bodies as we age. The intestine is about 23 feet long and has many bends and folds. Over time, food that hasn't been processed gets stuck in these folds, making a crust along the walls of the intestines. It's not just gross to think about this crust, it's also dangerous. It makes it much harder for your intestines to receive important nutrients. Even worse, it starts to give off toxins that your body then absorbs. It feels like poison is slowly getting into your body. This issue gets worse over time, especially for people over 50. As we age, our digestive system naturally slows down. We also make fewer digestive enzymes and less intestine motility, which is what moves food through the digestive system. That's why a lot of people in this age group have problems with constipation, gas, bloating, and feeling heavy in the stomach all the time. Did you know that the gut is sometimes called the second brain? That's because it has more nerve cells than your whole spinal cord, over 100 million. These cells connect to your brain and talk to it immediately, making a strong link between your gut and your mind. Your whole body knows when your gut isn't working right. A lot of people don't know this, but problems like worry, insomnia, extreme tiredness, and even deep sadness can be linked to the health of your gut. New studies show that the gut makes up to 95% of serotonin, the chemical that makes us feel good and happy. This material isn't made properly when your gut is full of toxic waste, which can affect your mood and quality of life in general. You may have already tried a number of ways to improve your digestion, such as laxatives, which work quickly but leave your gut lazy and dependent, expensive supplements, which help temporarily but don't get to the root of the problem, and restrictive diets, which work for a while but are hard to stick to long term. The truth is that our digestive problems bring in billions of dollars for the drug business. Not many people want to promote. Here are some easy, natural things you can do at home that won't cost you much. Who would gain from that after all? Warm water, lemon, olive oil, or chia seeds are mixed together in the way I'm going to show you. It might sound too easy to be true, but if you do it right, it really does clean you up. Let's talk about what each part does and how it works with the others. 1. Warm water. It's important that the water is warm, not hot. Warm water relaxes the muscles in the intestines, which makes it easier for food to move through the digestive system. It also breaks down fats and waste that are stuck on the walls of the intestines. If you drink warm water before bed, your body can fix itself and get rid of waste while you sleep without having to digest new food. Getting enough water can also soften hard stools that have been stuck in your stomach for days, weeks, or even months. 2. Lemon. Lemon is a great natural detox food. Its high citric acid level makes the liver make more bile, which is needed to break down fats and toxins. More bile helps the body process food better and get rid of waste more quickly. Lemon can also help your kidneys get rid of toxins better by making you pee a little more. In this way, your intestines get rid of old waste and your kidneys handle the toxins that are released. Lemon also keeps your body's pH level in check, even though it tastes acidic. It makes your body less acidic, which makes it harder for parasites and bad germs to grow. Its vitamin C presence makes your immune system stronger, which gives your body the tools it needs to fight off any pathogens that come out during detox. 3. Extra virgin olive oil. For thousands of years, people have used olive oil to treat digestive problems naturally. Olive oil acts as a lubricant for your digestive system, which makes it easier for stool to pass through. But it's more than that. Polyphenols and antioxidants in olive oil help reduce inflammation in the gut, which in turn reduces the gas and irritation that come with having long-term digestive problems. It also makes the liver release bile, which acts like a natural cleaner for your gut by breaking down the sticky waste on the walls of your intestines. One less well-known benefit of olive oil is that it can remove toxins from the body. As long as you take it before bed, it can actually pull toxins out of your body the next morning. 4. Chia seeds. Strong chia seeds can be used instead of olive oil. When they come in contact with liquid, they turn into a thick gel that makes stools bigger and cleans the walls of the intestines by sweeping away waste. This growth also gently presses on the walls of the intestines, which causes them to shrink naturally, which helps get rid of waste that has been building up. About 10 grams of soluble and insoluble fiber can be found in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These fibers feed the good bacteria in your gut, which makes your microbiome stronger and boosts your immune system. They also have good fats in them. That lowers inflammation and calms a gut that is upset. How to make the dish after years of bad eating. Even though the dish is very easy, how you cook and eat it makes a huge difference. Always use a glass cup instead of a plastic one because lemon can damage plastic. Put in about 250 or 1 cup of warm filtered water. The best temperature is just warm enough to drink without being too cold. Put the juice of half a fresh lemon right into the water. Never use canned juice because it might have added sugars or preservatives. Always use fresh lemon. Now you can either add 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed, high-quality extra virgin olive oil, or if you'd rather, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Give it a good stir and wait 5 minutes so the seeds can gel. Mix everything well and drink it right before bed, ideally at least 3 hours after your last meal. Do not eat or drink anything else afterward. Let the blend work overnight without interruption. Follow these steps for 5 nights in a row for the best results. What should I expect? Different people have different reactions, but many say the following. On the first day, you might not notice much, but some people have better bowel movements in the morning. Some people say they have more gas, which is a sign that detox is beginning. On day 2, your stool will probably be a different color and consistency. It will be darker or greener, which means that old bile is being flushed out. For some, small dark pieces in their poop are old waste that has come loose from the walls of their intestines. On day 3, big changes often start to show. You can get rid of things that feel like rubber or slime. Don't worry. These are the leftovers that have been stuck for a long time finally leaving your body. Also, you might feel lighter and less bloated. 4 days later, many people say they have bigger and more frequent bowel movements. The stuff that is being thrown away might have small, hard pellets or stringy strands that look like old trash. This is a good sign because it means your body is finally starting to get rid of things that may have been stuck in your gut for years. Most people say that by the 5th night, their digestion is much better. They have less stomach bloating, and they feel lighter and healthier overall. Some people say they even feel more energized and smarter. It's not an accident that your whole body works better when your digestive system works better. Don't stop now, though. After this 5-night cleanse, it's important to keep the benefits. To do this, drink warm water with lemon on an empty stomach every morning and eat a diet high in fiber-rich foods like fruits, veggies, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Also, stay away from processed foods and too much sugar, which cause toxic waste to build up in the bowels.
This treatment is not a magic bullet. Instead, it is a natural way to help your body do what it already wants to do, which is heal and cleanse itself when it is given the right tools like water, fiber, and healthy foods. It reacts by making digestion better, immunity stronger, and even mental health better. Don't forget that the health of your gut is closely linked to your general health. Don't forget how powerful easy habits can be. If this information was helpful to you, please consider sending it to someone else who may be having stomach problems. Sometimes the answers we're looking for aren't in fancy medicines or hard-to-follow diets, but in going back to nature, to custom, and to the knowledge that has been passed down from generation to generation. Your body is the only place you have to live, so take care of it. If you're still reading, please let me know what you think. Let us know what you think of this video by giving it a score between 1 and 10.